Terang receiving most valuable under 19 player from Terang.
Today I was given a responsibility by the government cricket bat manufacturer company. According to them, I have to give this bat to the most deserving under 19 player. So as we have played the APCC this year, and today is the final. So as per the APCC scorecard, Jinong Terang, he is the most MVP player among the under 19. So I, on behalf of the craftsmen, want to present this bat to the most deserving under 19, who is Jinong Terang. So he is a Jinong Terang. He's a Jinong Terang. He's just 11 years and he's studying in class 4 only.
Okay, that's great.
So I thank the craftsmen for giving me this opportunity so that I can give a young talent the smile which we always love to see in a young players. So
exactly.
I want to ask a few things to Jinong, and he's the coach.
Oh, that's great.
Mr. Premson Bey, he is the coach of Jinong. So I will be asking Jinong, and he will be giving the answer in English as he can't speak English that much. So Jinong, okay. So Jinong, nang ke la subet long lodi, and nang along lodi. Then nang pining ke patu pen ke pila nang nang kalong nai ke pini ke kita long ke. Hey. Kita bikin long pop di. Nang along lodi.
So from asking the questions that by playing in this tournament, how he feels, he had said that after 1 year of training under my tutelage, he played the first match in the APCC, got 4 wickets, and continuously he came into being. He moved as a spinner, and he came today and received the award. He is very much thankful to the craftsmen.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you Jinong and coach for giving the valuable time, and make sure that it's a wish from our side that he becomes a better cricket by next year and may represent our state in the coming future. So all the best and best of luck for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, craftsmen.
Congratulations, Jinong.
Yeah, thank you everyone.